Now imagine this. There is a group of friends, let's say about 25 of them, who decides to come together to contribute money to buy a cow for Salah. They open a WhatsApp group and every decision made, from where to buy the cow, who to help kill the cow, and how to share the meat, is made by voting. Nobody is the chairman. Nobody's word is final. Everybody votes and the majority carries the day. Now imagine that same system, but this time online, global, and running automatically on the blockchain technology. That is the idea behind something called DAO. You may have heard things like join DAO. It's a community-run project. We vote with tokens. But what is DAO really, and why is it such a big deal in Web3? Let me break it down. So what is DAO? DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Still sounds like big grammar? No wahala. In plain terms, it means a type of online organization with no boss, where decisions are made by members using crypto tokens to vote. So instead of one person calling all the shots, everyone involved gets a say based on how many tokens they hold. Think of a community savings group or a job where everyone puts money into the pot and vote on how to use it. The only difference is with DAO, everything happens online. The rules are written in smart contract and voting is done with crypto tokens, not just with mouth or hand raising. So how can we now apply DAO in real life? Let's say there is a tech startup in Nigeria. People buy a governance token, let's say Niger Tech for example. Then someone proposes, let's invest $2,000 in this startup in Yaba. People vote using their governance token. If the proposal passes, the money is automatically released. No need for a bank, no manager, no back and forth. Everything is on-chain, transparent and fair. So what are the key features of a DAO? Personally, I use the formula DATT to know. The first D stands for decentralized, which means nobody is in full control. The A stands for autonomous, which means that the rules are handled by a smart contract. The T stands for transparent, which means all votes and decisions are public. And the second T stands for token-based, which means that people vote based on the amount of tokens they hold. Why do people like DAOs? It is because it gives power back to the community. You are not just using the product, but you are helping to shape it. You are not just the follower, but you are also part of the decision-making team. It's like if Facebook or Twitter was owned and managed by its users, and we all voted on the features, the rules, and even the profits. That's the Web3 dream, and DAOs are a big part of it. Some real examples of DAO include Uniswap DAO. This group manages how Uniswap runs. Maker DAO. This group controls the DAI stablecoin. Blizzard DAO. This is a group that come together to buy rare digital art. Now there are also DAOs for investing, for charity, for gaming, and for NFTs. The list goes on and on. So the next time you hear DAO, don't let it confuse you. Just remember that it's like that online group where everyone contributes and votes on what to do. But this time, it runs with smart contracts and crypto and not argument in the group chats. If you like my content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video. See you in the next one.